Welcome to this quick yoga stretch for sciatica pain relief. Sciatica is pain, numbness, or tingling that starts in your lower back and travels down your leg. It can be caused by inflammation to your sciatic nerve, which can be caused by tightness in your lower back and hips. And that muscular tightness is what we are going to address today. You will find a yoga block handy, so grab one of those and let's begin laying down on the back. Begin by bending your knees and place the feet about hip-width distance apart. And then cross the right ankle just above the left knee into that figure 4 position, and then bring the left leg towards you, interlacing the fingers behind the thigh. And then find a stretch here at the outer part of your hip, and by pulling the leg closer towards your chest. And then breathe there. And then release. And switch sides. Cross the left ankle over the right knee, and then pull the right leg towards your chest. And then release, and we'll repeat this exercise twice more. Right ankle over the left knee and pull it into the chest. And release, switch sides. Release. Last round. Cross the right ankle over the left knee, pull it into the belly. And release, switch. And release. Then stretch your left leg straight and bring the right knee to the chest, interlacing the fingers behind your thigh. And hold it here. Pulling the knee close towards the belly. And this might be as far as you go if that already feels quite intense. Or you can try slowly extending and bending the right leg. Find your own rhythm here, straighten and bend several times. And then keep the leg extended if possible, or you can continue that previous variation, or straighten the leg and then flex and point your foot. And then release and switch sides. Bring the left knee to the chest, fingers interlace behind the thigh, and then pull it into the belly. And then either stay here or slowly start extending and bending the knee. And then on the next one, keep the leg extended and then flex and point the foot. And then release. Bend both knees, placing the feet hip-width distance apart, and then grab your block and slide it underneath your sacrum at your desired height, placing the sacrum comfortably on the top of the block. So not lower back, just the sacrum. We're trying to create a little bit of that traction, that decompression in the lower back. You can point the big toes in towards each other so that you can relax the legs completely. Relax the arms, and then breathe here. And we'll stay for about 3 minutes. Let me set a timer for that. keep the body completely relaxed. And then press into the feet, lift the hips off the block, and then slide the block out to the side, lowering the hips all the way to the ground. Then bring the knees up, feet together, and stretch the arms to a T-shaped position. Inhale here in the center. And as you exhale, allow the legs to come over to the right side, and then turn the head to the left side. And hold. And then inhale, come back to the center. And when you're ready, exhale, guide the legs over to your left side and turn the head to the right side. And then inhale, come back to the center. And then bring the knees close to the chest. Gently hug them in and rock from side to side. And you could repeat this practice once a day or even twice a day. And of course, I'm wishing you a speedy recovery. Thanks for practicing with me and see you in the next one.